Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js Stripe and Vue. Today we are going to learn how to integrate the Stripe in our Vue platform. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So how to implement the Stripe or create the payment integration of Stripe in the Vue, we are going to learn in this video. Let's have a look on that one. So here we have the view. This is not this is different one. Here we have the view. Just copy this, open this link. So this is view 3 stripe checkout example. Let's go click on the checkout. Okay, so it will redirect to that portion. Add any of the email. Okay, and add the card information. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, month, expiry, and card holder name. Okay, and India, just click on the pay, and here you can see the process, and it's successfully done and the payment successful. If I go to the payment section, if I go to the payments, go to the all payments here, so you can see the 10 amount, and this is done by October 28 6:56 a.m. So you can see that at the same time. Okay, and if I click on that link, you can see that the payment succeeded and everything is recorded over here, and this is the amount total that we have added, product details we have added, and this is the owner Rajnikant and this email. Okay, and everything is logged over here. Okay, you can see that. So this is how we are able to integrate that one. So let's dive into the code level right now. So here we have the backend part. Okay, so let me show you the backend one. So this is the create checkout session. So this is the API part. So you have to create that API, and if you haven't follow the full tutorial, so you have to follow my Stripe Node.js tutorial, so you get to know about the whole file. Okay, so I just briefly explain the create checkout session. So how we are going to do that. So you have to create the API, that is create checkout session. Okay, here we have defined the session, right? So payment method card should be the card line of items, so whatever lines of items you have, so you can mention everything and their attributes you can mention. Okay, then there are two URL success and the cancels where there is a redirection, so you have to create that one. Okay, so I have created that one. I also showed that one, so you can do the manipulation. So here we have a success. If we are getting from the session ID from the query, and we are retrieving the session and checking that the payment status is paid or unpaid, so we will check the paid, then payment successful, else unsuccessful. If it is goes in the cache block, then it will show the error, that payment confirmation error. Then we have a cancel section. So here we have the cancel one also. So payment cancelled, simply can if it will redirect to the cancel part. Okay, and the rest of that would require, in that one we require the codes. We have a stripe key and the stripe section, body parser, code section, view engine, express, body parser, rolling code. So all of these are packages you need to install while doing that part. So this is the backend part. Now we will move to the front end part. So this is front end part. Okay, you can see that, right? So here we go with that one. So here we have a view template. Okay, button handle click checkout. So at the rate click handle checkout, this will call methods async handle checkout. So what we are doing, we are calling the fetch API. Okay, with this is my endpoint, and method should be the post. Whatever response we are getting on, that is data.url, just window.location.hrefs, redirect to the Stripe checkout page. If any error occurs, it will log into the console. Okay, this is the simple one, right? So this is how we are able to integrate the Stripe payment integration with the Vue Node.js Stripe. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.